Computer, access training program 01.
Program initiated.
Greetings, Master Satan.
Ah, pupil, you have returned to your training.
Yes, patron. I think this will be the time I finally grasp the discipline.
Indeed. Then you would be one of the few humans who has mastered the Vulcan nerve pinch. Very well. Apply the pinch on the neck of that guard there. Your fingers must press on the specific areas of the neck in the proper sequence.
Computer, access training program 01.
Program initiated.
Greetings, Master Satan.
Ah, pupil, you have returned to your training.
Yes, patron. I think this will be the time I finally grasp the discipline.
Indeed. Then you would be one of the few humans who has mastered the Vulcan nerve pinch. Very well. Apply the pinch on the neck of that guard there. Your fingers must press on the specific areas of the neck in the proper sequence.
Yes, I did it!
Despite your human emotional outburst, you have completed your Vulcan training and honored the memory of your biological parents. Live long and prosper, my ward.
Peace and long life, patron. Computer, initiate training program 02.
Program initiated. Use your phaser to disable the robot drones.
Ensign Sobuk, please report to Shuttle Bay 2 for scheduled flight duty.
Ensign's log, supplement.
Picard to Ensign Sobuk. Report to me at the excavation site immediately. I've uncovered something that needs to be analyzed.
On my way, sir.
While I continue my work here, I want you to take this relic to Commander Data for analysis.
Understood, sir. Captain Picard asked me to deliver this to you.
Thank you, Ensign. There is an advanced ceramic microcircuitry system within the Talisman. Intriguing. Data to Captain Picard.
Yes, Mr. Data. I trust Ensign Sovok delivered the talisman. What did your analysis determine?
The Talisman is similar to the relic you recovered yesterday. The organization of the Talisman's ceramic circuitry indicates that it might be a device used to emit high-energy frequencies.
Who's there? Identify yourself. Data, I'm under attack at the ruins.
The captain is in danger and we must assist. Ensign, follow me to the excavation site. Ensign, the Sona have erected a shield array around sections of the colony. My analysis indicates that they are serially linked and controlled from a single source. Find and deactivate the shield array, and I will be able to bring down the shield at my location.
Yes, sir. I'll look for the shield array immediately.
Ensign Sovok, over here.
Commander Data, did those Sona attack the captain?
Unknown. I assume by their aggressive posture that they were involved. Let us try to use the element of surprise against them. I will attract their fire while you take cover and incapacitate them.
Yes, sir. You think our friends here were involved with Captain Picard's disappearance?
You know these Sona? They are friends of yours?
No, Commander. It was a figure of speech. They're, not really my friends.
Ah, your usage of the word friends was implying sarcasm. Henceforth, I will assume most of your diction is sarcastic.
Well, yes, sir.
Let us continue our search for the captain.